Hello dear kids, now today is our activity time. Yes student. Now our topic number 1.6 activity time. Write the first letter of the picture's name in it. प्यारे बच्चों, जो पिक्चर्स आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं उसका फर्स्ट लेटर आपको लिखना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल pencil. So write here P for pencil. And this very good. S for sun. And this is moon. M for moon. And there is balloon. B for very good. And F for flower. And B for banana. T for tree. Very good. Riddle. Look, listen and guess who I am. Who I am. I look at you. You look at me. I raise my right hand. You raise your left hand. Who I am? This is mirror. Yes student. क्या कहा देखो, मैं कौन हूँ? I look at you. मैं जब तुम्हें देखता हूँ, you look at me. तब तुम मुझे भी देखते हो. I raise my right hand. जब मैं मेरा राइट हैंड हिलाता हूँ तब तुम क्या करते हो? You raise your left hand. तुम्हारा लेफ्ट हैंड हिलाते हो. तो कौन हूँ मैं?